Wait, what the what the hell is whose grandma is this, bruh? Welcome guys, Cream Ball back again with another reaction video. Today check out Abra Cadabra and Deck remix. Not gonna lie, the first Abra Cadabra was very sick, you see me, but who to tell if the remix or the original are gonna be better. But I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on.
I spin this Kush. Yo, I don't know nothing about dark side. Everything lit round our side. Before gang got a spot in the chart side, dark and light got split like apartheid. Man, know what I did in my past life.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. They picked the perfect rhythm for this song, bro. The rhythm is honestly, the rhythm gets you at the first second. The rhythm does sound.
Yo, I don't know nothing about dark side. Everything lit round our side. Before gang got a spot in the chart side, dark and light got split like apartheid. Man, know what I did in my past life. I want to do what the twos got too much to lose. I'm pissed I can't glide. Nothing but love for my farm guys.
Oh, B.
Anything the drillers them need, man, fund it. Ain't done shit in the field. Just wanna talk online like a pundit. You got chased, friends got chinged. All cause the gang got bored and hunted. Got shot in his face, I was on the wing. Put him in a roll and bundle.
I really got guns, I don't know. Man, dance with a pole with it, yeah, I don't know. I just spun round twice with bro. Got a laser beam trying to take his soul. I got enough love.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. This is 40 seconds in and I'm feeling this remix, bro. I'm feeling this remix. That's right, internet youth hype, but they catfish. We all know about the internet trolls, bro.
Spin that, he's moving like Christopher Walken. I don't really young boy step back, take deep breaths, that kind of ain't no talking. Gang jiggy jiggy on deck when I step with the gang.
Oh,
jiggy jiggy on deck when I'm doing up traps, still jump.
I'll joke at the money having on this clown face.
I just see something. Should've never been in with a peanut.
And he ain't got screws. Babe 22s, he's barking it, clarting it. Creeping on vaults with the smoke up your bro, don't call at him. Snitches and bitches, bro, do our farm, all feel we don't harbour it. Tryna catch me at air with his 410. Reason I can't, no BT and Rendo. Alakazam and the caliber bangs. Chill on the
oh, you know what? Alakazam when this color, yo. You know what Alakazam mean in there? Disappear. You disappear, you magic. Oh, Bandokay. OFB Bandokay, right? Yeah, OFB Bandokay, I think. Oh, wait, what the fuck? What the hell is whose grandma is this, bruh? Whose grandma is this? Man, come get your grandma, bruh.
I spin this Kush. I just see something. Should've never been in bitch and I would've seen you with a peanut.
Cloop, cloop. Bad man no squeeze for the ups. Cloop, cloop.
Family's grieving.
Oh, wait, OFB low key? Yo, what the hell? I didn't even read the full title of the video, bruh. But OFB low key? Oh. Oh, my God. Yo, hold on, yo, this sick. Yo, OFB, I forget replay. OFB, I forget replay. Want a big hood in our mouth. In our neck. Pull it. Yo, I didn't even know that OFB was in this, bro. OFB low key, bro. That's sick. Yo, this is a remix, bro. All the OGs in this. Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm not gonna lie. This was a remix. I enjoy this remix. I'm not gonna lie. Especially one of my favorite artists in OFB, Low Key. Oh no, they did it, bruh. Yo, this was pretty good. This was pretty good, and I really like the rhythm. The rhythm is one of the things that really stand out with British music, R&B or not R&B, hip hop or dancehall, grime, fusion. The rhythm is very unique because I even in dancehall, you're not gonna hear this rhythm in dancehall or in hip hop. So this is a grime, unique UK rhythm, cultural thing. Fire, not gonna lie, the rhythms are sick. Song, sick, remix, love it. I love it more than the original. I'm not gonna lie. This better than the original. Not gonna lie, bruh. But anyway, guys, this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out.